Ready?
Yeah.
I got a different one. Hopefully it records better video.
Oh yeah. Oh.
And it's already waterproof and everything. So. Alright. Y'all ready?
No.
How far are we in? I would like to know how far we're in.
At least 2 miles. Not probably more than that.
Only 2 miles.
I don't know. They don't even have a mark.
Here you go. Look, I sliced my hand open on the tire.
I couldn't get over that tire with nothing.
What? You didn't get over?
I got over eventually, but...
It took me 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, that took me some time. And then this thing almost tore off.
Well, yeah, everyone's that. I don't think it's going to last the whole race.
Yeah, I got here right when y'all were by the bathroom.
Oh, okay. We didn't see you.
Yeah, I was trying to register.
How much it cost you?
$202.
Whew.
And they told me, I got scared for a minute because they were like, what race you doing? I said a tier 1 challenge. And they were like, that stopped at 8:45. So I was like, what? Damn, I ain't want to do the 9. I ain't come over here doing it.
Right. They allow you to do it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
They give you a timing thing?
Yeah, I got it on my and I got the red one. I guess the red one is here.
Yeah. Well, that's supposedly, I think you only really need that if you're doing elite. Yeah, I think they take it if you don't complete the obstacle.
Right.
Ow!
What is it?
Crap! Yellow jacket just stung me. Woo! Oh yeah, go now. Ow! Woo! I didn't know what that was. I ain't been stung since I was a little kid. No! And I just heard the guy talk about it too. God! I see why kids cry now. That joke tingles.
Where did you get your...
Oh, right here. Right where my calf is exposed. Whew.
I was just like, get away from Sam. Yeah. This guy blew his leg. Tripping me. Is that what the plan was? Trip Sam was running.
Y'all running in a group or?
No. Well, run as you can go. Well, where'd Christy go to? Which way do we go now? Okay. Man, that stinks. Oh, there he is. He's right there. Man, you had to be trucking to catch up with us. Man, how'd you make it up those hills that quick? Good.
What I was doing the whole week, 4 days, I was 250 burpees each day. Then I got a little bucket of bricks. Started trotting around with that.
Man, yeah, that hill won't no joke. You good, Brian? Huh? Yeah. How was traffic?
It was pretty good. We didn't catch nothing on the way over.
When?
4.
Oh my Jesus. See.
I was supposed to leave last night. I called my rod around Nick. I was like, you coming? He said, yeah, I'm on my way back from rod. I said, oh. So by the time he got there, I was like, let's leave in the morning.
Who's your ride?
Oh, him, cousin of mine.
You still going to the beach?
Yeah, we're going after this. The reason I brought him because after this race, I ain't going to drive.
Oh yeah.
Another 4 hours to the beach. 3.5, I think.
3, yeah. You good, dude? Yeah. All right.
Old Spartan.
Oh, it sure is, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the same place. The beach's gonna be it.
Hey, Brian. Brian, look on the ground. Spartan tags.
Huh?
Spartan tags.
What?
For the beast.
Oh.
Which way we go? This way.
Where is Chris?
I don't know.
Is she in a hole somewhere?
I'm scared to walk because I'm scared I'm going to get stung by a yellow jacket again.
I know.
So we got to do this all again in October. But I got to do it because the only beast around for us.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure they're going to make you go up that hill.
Well, see, they would overtake, so I'm sure they use it.
And what goes up, what's not coming down, huh?
Well, I don't want to go down while I'm trying to go up, though. Yeah, that's going to hurt.
What I need?
Uh-oh, you good? Heck yeah. Thank you. Excuse me.
Good luck out there. Have you gone through the windows yet?
No.
Okay, yeah, go through the windows.
What's that?
Right
Go
behind
to
you.
the windows first?
Yeah, windows and then down that trail.
No, it said what again? What'd you add?
Thank
We
you
need
so
to go through
much.
the windows first.
Welcome.
I can't believe I got this one wrong. The BoneFrog.
Huh?
He was like, oh, it's great.
Yeah, I didn't think it was nothing, but I mean, I'm doubting myself. Now, would you ask what's through here? Oh.
You wouldn't give me no water, something. Need to get through there first.
Pay attention to the pictures on the sign hanging from the table.
I got a little whelp.
These things, your last name.
Look,
don't know where Christy is.
She's gone.
Big old line.
We gotta catch it.
Oh, we'll catch it. No, I got it. What do I need to do first?
Jump up and try to get your.
Put 1 foot up.
Yeah.
I'll just do that.
There you go. You got it, man. Just don't fall forward when you're not ahead of yours.
Everybody gonna see it.
There we go. I'm making this difficult.
Good, man.
You alright? Hi, Brian. Let's roll.
We ain't going 3 miles.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. That sucks.
You want to bring it down.
No, it's the freaking hills, man.
That man as well, big. Yeah.
You good, Brian?
Yeah. All right, all right.
Yeah. Brian.
How you doing?
Great.
Oh yeah. You know how the wall works. You go up it, you go over it.
Something like that, right?
Yeah.
He's right there, somewhere. I was waiting on him. She's right here, Brian. Here's your prize. Here's your prize. Come on.
He's about to send a search team to come looking for him.
Make sure the thing don't pop in my pants. I fail about that.
Oh, you fail?
Up and over the wall. Not under it. You gotta try going over it. I got stuck in the window.
I did too. Don't feel bad. I did too.
I couldn't get my foot through
If
and
I
I
fall,
was
ain't
gonna
nothing
fall.
leaking in it.
No,
I think I cracked them like that.
no. You all right?
Hurt your ankle or anything?
No, I went down. Tried to break my fall.
You alright?
Yeah.
Need to walk a little while?
No, we go. Let's go.
Ah,
Speedy.
I wanted to have a few hundred feet where I didn't feel like I was trying to keep up.
Got something about big.
yeah. That junk hurt for a minute. Dang heels. The guys, you never came with me. Brian and Christy did, but you need to get up. You know the guy from Matsalon, don't you? In Oxford that runs them. You know who I'm talking about?
Oh yeah? What's his name too?
I don't know his name,
I know one of the partners.
but the whole Legend Race team is up here. I was talking to them. They did the elite.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. This is tough right here.
This terrain.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, this ain't your zombie race.
No. If they have those hills at the end, like they do at the beginning, they do.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like I said, if it's almost the same course as a Spartan race, someone's gonna get worse.
Really?
I mean, you're literally going straight up almost.
Wow. That's gonna suck. Well, thank you. See, look at this thing. This thing sucks.
Hell yeah. I had to twist mine. one.
This your brand.
See, I had ran that way, and they told me, so I had to run back. Come back.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. You went some distance then.
Yeah, I went down there a little bit. I just did the bomb bar halfway down there.
Fellas, you can do it.
Okay, yeah.
Good long. All right, you got this. Come on. Come on, man. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
You gotta keep. I'm just gonna stand here and go.
Do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna have a hard time grabbing them.
I know. That's the only thing I'm looking at.
You got it. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Grab high. There you go. Yeah, now. There you go.
Do it again.
There you go.
You're almost there.
You got it, man. One
You
more.
got it.
One more. Bam.
That's it, man.
Nice.
That's good. Woo. That's good.
Get out to the second one.
Don't think so hard about it. Just some little balls right there. Just
Yeah.
grab them. Just run
I don't
across.
like grabbing balls except for my pet.
That's right.
I was
You wanna
like,
grab
yeah, it's
yours,
kind of
grab-
uncomfortable it being not attached.
I want to see you jump across with one hand. That's cool with me. There you go.
You got it.
That's
Look at
Oh,
that.
don't even play. That's it. Good job. Good change of plans. Good change of plans. Use them deltoids. Make
Come on,
it fun.
Stubby.
Make it work.
Come on, son.
Let
You
go!
got this.
Let go! What are you doing?
You're getting over here. You're taking too long.
Step up without help.
There you go.
Yeah.
If you're going to take a coffee break, get out of line taking a coffee break. Get. Roll with it. Let's go, Tadpole. That frog's waiting on you.
That ain't happening.
There you go, Jeff.
Want to try again?
There you go. Huh?
Great job.
Good job, Jeff. Ain't no 30. Come on, Terry.